Inhale and raise your hands up. Exhale and come down. Inhale, right leg back to Asvasanchalanasana. Raise your right hand up and give a good twist. Come down. Exhale. Inhale, raise your hand up. Exhale, come down. Exhale to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtangasana. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Keep your right leg front to Asvasanchalanasana. Inhale. Raise your right hand up. Raise your left hand up and down. Get the other leg front, Pada Hastasana. Exhale. Inhale, Hastuttanasana, Samastiti. Do the same thing on the left side. Inhale up, exhale down. Left leg back to Asvasanchalanasana. Raise your right hand up, come down. Left hand up, come down. Exhale and go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, Falakasana. Exhale, Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Left leg forward to Asvasanchalanasana. Right hand up. Come down. Left hand up. Give a good twist. Come down. Get the other leg front. Exhale. Inhale and raise up. Samastiti.